Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sunny and I'm here with two amazing creators. Will you guys introduce yourselves for me?
Sure. Hi, I'm Nina.
Hi, I'm Liz.
And today we are going to get ready for any kind of natural disaster where you might need some light or a heat source in your house. This candle you're going to be able to make with ingredients that you already have inside your pantry. So let's get to it. All right, so we are going to give you guys some glasses.
Ooh, thank you.
You do not have to make glasses, but we're fancy gals, so we are going to use wine glasses. All you're going to need for this is some vegetable oil, some water, a Q-tip, and some rice.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how this is all gonna come together. I would not expect this to make a candle.
I know, this is such a fun little DIY craft. I love when stuff is easy that everybody can do.
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to pour, I'm going to give these guys to you. You're going to pour just a little bit, about a little less than halfway of rice.
Okay.
Perfect. Liz. I had you guys go first because I'm definitely going to make a mess.
I know, I was thinking that. I was like, okay, is that good?
Yeah, perfect. Now we are going to fill the rest of the glass with oil.
Really is like science experiment vibe.
All right, so now that we've added all the ingredients, our rice, our water, and our vegetable oil, we are going to put our Q-tips in.
Thank
So
you.
you're gonna insert it right in the middle.
Should it all the way down?
Leave the top out a little bit.
Okay.
So right above the oil. Right, perfect. And then give those to you.
Thank you.
And then you will light the Q-tip. You'll hold it there for just a little bit until you see like the flame come up. And now these are supposed to stay lit for so long, longer than most candles. They're also, like I said, just a really great way for some light and for some heat. If you are in any kind of emergency situation, all of these can be found right at home. Yeah, so hold it right there. Yes, 5, 4, 3. I think you're probably all right.
And it's just like a fun little DIY project.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, Sunny, we might need your help. We might need your guidance, except I think mine's going.
Perfect. There we go.
Okay. Oh.
So now you have your light in the darkness.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Real emergency, call her. We're gonna need no help.
All right, guys. So I hope you have learned a really, really cool way to stay safe during any kind of natural disaster, no matter where you are in the world or in the country. And I'd love to thank our amazing co-hosts. Where can they find you guys?
You can find me at its.ninamars.
You can find me at Liz Travels.
And I'm Sunny from Sunny's Favorites. Until next time, guys.